Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning for the all participants in this room. Now we still continue discuss about the properties of the new probability model Power Rado Institute distribution. For this time, for the part 7 or in the session 7, we will talk about the maximum likelihood and how to application Power Rado Institute distribution to modeling SAMS data or the other research article. Okay, based on the candidate book, I always say on candidate book, we have discussed or we have the written about the concept of the maximum likelihood and how to application the Power Rado Institute distribution to modeling the SAM data. Okay. On these books, the maximum likelihood, it's mean we must find the likelihood function the first, and the second, we must find the log likelihood maximum, and the last one to the estimate parameter. Of course, we must find the maximum likelihood doing the sum technique in the numerical methods. And of course, we must solve the estimate parameter with using the best software in this world, like the R software. Okay. We have now the density function of the Power Rado Institute distribution, like this one. Okay, you can see on this candidate books. Okay. This one, we call that density function of the Power Rado Institute distribution with the two parameters, the alpha and theta. Okay, you can see this model. You can see this density function. If you want to try to find what is the likelihood function, okay, likelihood function, it means the multiple, the univariate density function. Fx1 multiplied by fx2 and until fxn. X1 is mean in this density function, the x you change by x1. X2, the x you change x by x2. So the likelihood function is the multiple the univariate density function. Okay, we have known the univariate density function of the Power Rado Institute distribution. For example, like this is for the x1, you multiply until the xn. So, of course, with the simple mathematics, we can show that the likelihood function like this one. This is likelihood function for the Power Rado Institute distribution. Alpha power n, theta power k, multiplied by n, summation, divide by summation, I starting 1. Okay, I starting summation, I starting 1 until k, 1, until k, gamma function I, multiplied by theta power k minus I, power n, and blah, 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 blah. This is the multiple, okay? This is products, the product symbol. Okay, this product symbol, you multiply by this one. Okay, after you text, after you prove, after you have the log likelihood function like this one, the second step, you must find the log likelihood function. This is log likelihood function. Log likelihood function, it means you must take the logarithm natural of the likelihood. So you just only take the logarithm natural of the density function. We call that log likelihood function. Okay, this is a log likelihood function for the Power Rado Institute distribution. That's very easy. N multiplied by log alpha plus k multiplied n log theta minus n log summation gamma I, gamma function I starting 1. Okay, starting 1 multiplied by theta power k minus I plus summation j starting 1 until n, logarithm natural sigma I starting 1 until k, xj power I multiple alpha minus 1 minus theta power summation j equal to 1 and xj power alpha. You must remember and be careful. This is one j and this one I. So this different is j is the for the number of the random variable, and I is for the mixture of density gamma. Okay, the mixture of density gamma. I starting in 1, 2, 3 until k. K is mean the number of the mixture of density gamma. So J is the number of the random variable. So it's very different between J and I. So after we have this log likelihood, of course, we must try to solve the log likelihood for the power Rado Institute distribution for k equal to, okay, for example, this one. The power Rado Institute distribution with k equal to have the log likelihood function n log alpha plus 2n log theta minus n log theta power minus n log theta plus 1 plus, okay, summation j equal to 1 until n log xj power alpha minus 1 plus xj power 2 multiple alpha minus 1 minus theta summation j equal to 1 until n xj power alpha. This is very easy. Okay, it's very easy. This is log likelihood function for the PRID k equal to. And then for the PRID k equal to 3, with the very easy, only based on the general formula of the log likelihood, we can find the log likelihood of the power Rado Institute distribution for k equal to 3, like this one. Okay, like this one until this one. This is long equation. So you must be remember this one until this one is the log likelihood function for the PRID k equal to 3. And of course, we have success to solve the problem log likelihood for the PRID power Rado Institute distribution k equal to 6. It's a very long equation. Okay, the very long equation starting from here until here. Okay, you can show from these candidate books. Okay, this means that we have success to to solve this problem of the sum log likelihood function for the power Rado Institute distribution for the k equal to 1 until k equal to 6. And then, of course, after we have success to run the log likelihood, we will try to application the power Rado Institute distribution using some data on some research article. Okay, for example, we have data. We have the data like this one, this data. So we will try to solve to estimate the parameter for the PRID k equal to 2 until equal to 6. So by using the R, okay, in this candidate book, we have give the good coding. We have good coding to solve the parameter, how to estimate the parameter for the power Rado Institute distribution using the some k and using the data. Okay, like this one. This is X data. Okay, data on this table. Data in this table, we say X, this X. So PRID model is mean the coding program for the sum k. For example, for the PRID k equal to 2, this is a coding program. N equal to length X. This is the log likelihood. Log likelihood. Okay, this is a log likelihood. Okay, this is log likelihood of the PRID equal to k equal to 2. Okay, but we only using, okay, you can check this one. like this in the block one. In the block one, you can see here. Okay. This is only for the density function. We are trying to using the simple, the log likelihood, sum, log, density function. Okay, we use the sum log density function. Okay, this is for PRID k equal to, and then we use the optimum with the initial value of alpha equal to 1, initial value for parameter theta equal to 1. We give name for the alpha 1 and the theta 1 for the PRID k equal to. Okay, this is the density function. Density function for the power rado distribution. And then this one, FPLDA, it's mean you change X by XE. XE is mean the sequence 0 until 2 maximum data with the jam 0.1. It means starting 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 until data 2 multiplied by maximum data. Okay, Xi, okay, we use for this function, it means we need the lot of data to make the good graph, smooth graph. What is graph? Graph is the function of the PRID k equal to 2. So we need this one, we need Xi, and we using Xi in the FPLDE. FPLDE is mean the density function of the power rado institute distribution with k equal to, but X we using the Xe. Okay, Xi. And then this one is the density function. We are using the real X. The real X, what is the real X? The real X is the real data like in the table. This is density function. And FPLD using for to find the IC. Okay, IC, a KK formation criterion. It's very clearly information. Okay. And this one for the PRID k equal to 3. Power rado institute distribution k equal to 3. This one, the function of the log likelihood function. This is the coding for the log likelihood. Okay, this coding log likelihood. And this one, the optim to solve the parameter, to solve the estimate the parameter with the initial value for the alpha 2. Alpha 2 is parameter, alpha for the PRID k equal to 3. And theta 2 is the other parameter for the PRID k equal to 3. Okay, using the optimum. And then like the same explanation, what is I, what is XX? XX is mean the sort X. Okay, sort X, we using XX for the max cumulative plot. The cumulative plot, of course, we need the FPK like this one. This is the cumulative of the power rado institute distribution, cumulative distribution function. We use XX. We don't use XI again. XI for the density plot. XX for the cumulative distribution function. Okay, this like this one. This is the function of this cumulative distribution function for the power rado institute distribution k equal to 3. We are use XX, X sort X. Okay, so like this one, same information with the PRID k equal to 4. Okay, same information. You must find what is the density function of the PRID. This is density function. Okay. Okay, you can see. Okay, this one like this one. I block. You can focus to the blue one. Okay, to the blue one. The blue one is the density function of the power rado institute distribution k equal to 4. Okay. So we are using this coding to estimate the parameter. We call that the alpha 3 for the power alpha of the PRID k equal to 4. and theta 3 for the PRI, for the parameter theta of the PRID k equal to 4. And then this is information, this density function, FPAD is mean the FPAD is mean the power Rado Institute distribution for the k equal to 4. Okay. This is I. You have now. I think I have the give information. What is different if the density without I and then density with I? Which I is mean we are use the xi. And without I, we use the x. X is the real data. Okay? We use xi to make the smooth plot. Okay. So we have the cumulative distribution function for the power Rado Institute distribution k equal to 4. We must use xx here. This is x, okay? xx, okay? Look, this xx, okay? xx. Don't forget, use xx, okay? Okay. So until we make the coding for the PRID k equal to 6. Okay, the equal to 6. Okay, for example, this one. Okay. So if we success to make this coding, we will run this coding and we will have the sum output. This is output the parameter alpha of the PRID k equal to. This is parameter theta of the PRID k equal to until the alpha for PRID k equal to 6 and the theta PRD equal to 6, and we give the AIC KK information until the AIC for the PRID k equal to 6. So all information about this parameter and the IC we list on this table. Okay, we list on this table. So the all outputs in this coding program we list in this program in the table 12 table. Okay, this one is the PRID k equal to 3 equal to 2. This is alpha, this is theta, this is IC. KK information criterion. Okay, you can check from this table. We can make the comparison. The PRID k equal to 6 have the smallest AIC. If we make the comparison with the AIC for the other models. So it means the power Rado Institute distribution k equal to 6 is the best model for the data. Okay, they form the IC. And they form the density plot. Okay, this is the coding for the density plot. Okay, this one is coding for the density plot. We will try to how to this model, how to this density to the capture the histogram. Okay, we can check this is the output like this one. Okay, the red one, like the PRID k equal to 6, is a very too close to the highest of the bar plot of the histogram, this data. Okay, and then for the cumulative plot, this is cumulative plot. Cumulative plot is mean how to the cumulative model can capture the cumulative theoretical. Cumulative theoretical is mean using formula I minus 0.5 divide n. I is mean the number 1 until the length data, and xx is mean the source x. Okay. So this is the cumulative plot. Okay, this cumulative plot. You can say here the yellow one. The yellow one is the cumulative distribution function for the PRID k equal to 6. Is it success to capture the theoretical cumulative? Okay, theoretical cumulative, like the black one, the cumulative, the theoretical cumulative. Let me say before, this is equal to I minus N I minus 0.5 divided N. So we have success to discuss about the maximum likelihood that application the Power Rado Institute distribution to using some data. Okay, I think this is nice discussion for this time. See you again on the other session. For the other session, we will try to make the comparison, the RID, Rado Institute Distribution, and PRID, Power Rado Institute Distribution. Which one is the best between RID or TRID? Okay, see you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.